Hey guys, my name is Joy, just Joy, not Joyce, not Joycelyn, not Jocelyn. Yes, I've got lots of things before, not Jordan, Joy, Joy, just Joy. Alright guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first video. I'm super excited because it's a long time coming now. I've been saying that I wanted to do this, so here I am, I'm doing it. I've gotten lots of compliments on my curls. I'm sorry the intro video does not really show them off. Look, you gonna get a taste of it in the future. We're gonna get it. This is a journey. You're gonna take it with me. Hopefully, if you like my videos, let me know. So it's gonna be a hair care video. It's a little rough. It's my first one, so again, we just gonna get better from here, you know? Trial and error, something's gonna happen. Type 4 hair. I think I'm like between like B and the C, you know? It's coils, you know, definitely coils. They're kind of cute. It's taken me a while to get them like this though. I used to have my hair straight. Then I decided to do the big chop because I was gonna do the transitioning thing, but I was like, this is taking way too long. So I was just like, I'm gonna cut it. I was with my best friend one day. We were just riding around and then we just went into a barbershop and I got it cut. And I was scared, but it was just a moment of, oh my God, this is me. Felt just like myself. It was like home, you know, it was comfortable. All right guys, the video is a little long. Again, my first video. I'm trying to be as detailed as possible, but I don't want you to think that this isn't a quick wash and go. It really is. This is what I do before I go to work, if I'm going out every day or every other day. I try not to process my hair so much, but it is what it is sometimes. So because I want my curls to look a certain way, I might do this every other day or every day, depending on how my work schedule is. I just go in, I hop in the shower, I co-wash. I only shampoo maybe once a week, once every other week, but I just co-wash it. So I wet it, put my co-wash with my conditioner. I come out, take my product, which is usually in a bottle. I'll explain that later. And I just put a squirt, zhuzh it up. Again, I love that word, zhuzh. You'll hear it later. And that's pretty much what I just do. It's quick, easy, and I'm out the door, put on my clothes, I'm good. You know, I will do a proper introduction video. It's gonna be like my second, maybe my third. We'll see what happens. To tell you a little bit about myself, where I'm from, who I am, what I'm about. I kind of want to make this channel about like lifestyle, maybe some challenges, make a fool of myself. Let me know what you want to hear from me, know from me, want to see me do. Let's start out with what all the YouTubers out there say, you know, like, comment, subscribe, you know, just show some love, show some support. We'll see where this goes. All right, guys, we're just gonna get right to it. Alrighty, here we go. We got that fresh, nappy, dry hair. We're gonna put it right under the shower head. We're gonna get it wet and soaking. Gonna take our shampoo. It's with castor oil because I am focused on growth. I shampoo, rinse, and repeat. I do it twice. I shampoo maybe once a week. Gonna lather it all up in there, working it all good. Now we're gonna take the conditioner. I really like this one. It's for stretching, you know, that shrinkage is real. I'm gonna put some of that in my hand. Then we're gonna mix it with this. This is the ish right here. It is like crack, it's beautiful, it's creamy. So we're gonna mix that and the conditioner and we're gonna work it through our hair just like this. Work it in, lather it up. I'm gonna put some water in it every once in a while, you know, so that lather up can be really good. Work it in there. And then I'm gonna grab a comb in a second so I can start detangling. Take my wide tooth comb, I start from the ends and then I work my way back to the root. And then I add another section into the section I've just untangled. And that's what I do for my head. My whole head, so you can see me working my way around my head. Just a quick input, this is the first thing I do in the shower. I'm gonna do this routine and then I'm gonna let it sit. I'm gonna wash my body like normal and then rinse it out. When I'm combing it, I like to make sure I'm combing all my hair in the same direction, so I usually comb to the front. So I'll do the front, do the middle to the front, go to the back and bring it all the way to the front. After I've gone with the comb, I'm gonna do a finger detangle. I'm gonna go through with my fingers all through my hair. For some reason, when I get out the shower, I don't like the way my curls fall when I just comb it through, so I do finger comb it. I like the way my curls form and stay a lot better after I've done this when I get out the shower. Alrighty, at this point, I've already washed my body, so I'm just gonna rinse out the conditioner. Now you got that freshly washed hair. Now I'm gonna take you to the next step. We're gonna grab that spray bottle and I'm gonna let you know what's up. Alrighty, so in my water bottle, my spray bottle, I put a couple things in there. I just don't do water. I put olive oil, just a little bit, and some coconut oil. Those are my two mains, you know. And then sometimes I'll put this in here. I'm trying to use this one for the jojoba. And then I recently started using avocado oil in there. Sometimes I'll put like a growth oil in there. Just depends what I'm feeling. Oh, also black castor oil. I definitely put that in there too before I use it. You know, shake it up really good so all the oil and the water, it tries to mix really well, and I spray my hair with it. After that, the lotions that I use on my head, it's a little excessive, but don't judge me. I'm just trying to find out what works for my hair because I do have a moisture problem that I'm trying to fix. So I'll usually get like a travel bottle or a separate bottle, and then I'll put these in there, and then I'll just mix it up, and then I'll just use that so I don't have to dip into each one every time I go. So what I usually use is the Cantu coconut curling cream. That's the base one I use. When I first went natural, it did help me a lot. It did help me define my curls as well as the conditioner. Now I feel like it's not working. My hair got used to it. It's just not having the same results anymore. So that's why I have been dabbling in some other products. Like Camile Rose for Milk Moisture. It's a leave-in conditioner as well. I usually do a jelly. I usually try to buy the jelly in like Cantu or the Shea Moisture. But as I said, the Cantu just isn't working for me anymore. So that's why I tried this Camile Rose one. It's almost done, so I have been using it. Has been pretty good results. Then I try to do a smoothie. I just saw this pudding, a curl stretch pudding, because you know the shrinkage is real. I'm using this one. It's a little thicker, so I'll put that in my bottle. And the smoothie is pretty soft. I do like the Shea Moisture smoothie. I stopped using them a while ago because I felt like it wasn't helping me up to a certain point. So I stepped away from them and tried other things. All right, gonna grab a spray bottle. I'm gonna shake it up real good, and we're gonna spray it all over, make it real damp, nice and moist. Now we're gonna take the first one. Again, guys, I usually just take a bottle, I put everything in there, and then I just gotta squeeze it one time, but we're not working with that. So now I take every single item I just let you know about, put a little bit in my hands, you know, squirt, squirt, squirt. Now I'm gonna mix it all up. Look at those consistencies. It's nice. It's real nice. All right, gonna spray that a little more so we can get that consistency good. And then I'm gonna rattle up in my hands right there. And we're gonna zhuzh it. This is my favorite word, zhuzh. I'm gonna zhuzh it all over, shake the head in it. It looks like I'm being aggressive, but I'm really not. I don't finger comb my products through my hair because I think it disrupts my curls. So I just use this method, the zhuzhing method, to just get the product in there. I just shake it up, rub the sides, and then it usually works very well for me. I'm not trying to mess up the curl pattern, as I said. Then I'm going to take a little bit of extra product, lay my edges down, see those little babies, grab a little brush, secure them. One day I will try to lay them down by putting a scarf on. You guys will take that journey with me one day. Sometimes I do want to grab that spray bottle one more time, just add a little more moisture in there, then I shake it about. Then I'm going to grab my little sheen spray. I know it's weird, but hey, sometimes I just think I need that extra shine. Spray it over there, shake it up. I just love the way my my curls just bounce. So cute. I love it. It's so great. So here we have it, the final look. It can be better, but hey, it's a journey. We gonna take it together, and let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment, like, subscribe. We on this together, all right, guys? Baby hair is not as laid, but you know, you could go over those with some gel. Depends what you like. Me personally, I like a natural look, so that's why I usually don't do gel, or I don't get a tape up. I like my front hairline to be pretty natural.